Welcome to another Omenani series with Tobo Sigwe, Ikolomo. Today I want to discuss key Igbo philosophies. Key Igbo philosophies. You can see it as commandments. We have things like 10 commandments and all those. Here in Igbo land, our norms, our values, our commandments, our taboos, some of them are enshrined in Igbo proverbs, Igbo philosophies. So I want us to know key philosophies that guides a typical Igbo person. Key Igbo philosophies. It doesn't mean that these philosophies are formally outlined the way I have outlined them today. However, if you are someone who is into Igbo ordinana or an Igbo person or even an African that wants to adopt some of these philosophies, it can guide you in your everyday life. But if you're an ordinary person, an Omenani person, or an Igbo person, these philosophies, you can see it as 7 commandments. You can see these key philosophies as your own 7 commandments. The first one is Omife Jidofo. Omife Jidofo. Igbos will say Omife Jidofo, which means in all you do, hold on to truth. Yes, there is something like Ofo, something physical that is called Ofo, but this is trying to understand this philosophy in its literal sense. But there is a universal meaning to the Igbo philosophy of Omife Jidofo, and the universal translation to that saying is, in all you do, hold on to truth. Truth is the principal thing. Anyone who stands on truth will be vindicated at last. That is why our people will say, Eti uche ezioku, ehiemewulu, ehiemewulu, osenite. That means anytime you hide the truth, after hiding the truth, after trying to suffocate the truth will always resurrect. In the light of this, the Igbos advise, Omife Jidofo, that is, in whatever you are doing, stand on truth, that you will be vindicated at last. Whatever thing you are doing, stand on the truth, because you will be vindicated at last. Number two, Mpulonye kolo koya holo. Mpulonye kolo koya holo. This means one will definitely reap what he sows. The Igbos believe that you shall reap what you sow. In fact, this is the most basic guiding principle, the central commandment. Before the coming of the white man, a typical Igbo man will tell you that you must reap what you sow. So they allow an ordinary adherent, an Omenani adherent, allow this principle to guide his life, his or her life. So one is always mindful of his actions because they know that actions has consequences. So if you sow good, you reap good. If you sow bad, you reap bad. Number 3, Obodo debi iwu, which means keep whatever law your community has agreed to be their laws or taboos. If a community says that this is their law, this is their taboos, these are their do's and don'ts, and you want to be part of that community or you're a member of that community, ensure you keep their laws. It's almost like saying, if you go to Rome, behave like the Romans. If you go to Rome, behave like the Romans. So the Igbos, you say, Obodo debi iwu. Obodo debi iwu. Some even answer this philosophy as a name. So every Igbo community have their own peculiar laws and taboos that distinguishes them. So every member or settler is advised to keep the laws of that community. If a community says that do not kill a python in this community, keep their laws for them. Keep their laws for them. Number 4 is Zelu Ibenne. Zelu Ibenne. This means do not spill your own blood. If you share blood, if you have blood relation with someone, do not shed the person's blood. No matter the dispute with your relation, with your sibling, do not shed the person's blood, the blood of your own relative. Neither should you be in a meeting where they are discussing how they will hurt your own. This is what the Igbos mean by Zelu ibenne, ibenne ne ebuku ebu. You hear an Igbo person say, Zelu ibenne, ibenne ye ebuku ebu. You hear an elder say, Zelu ibenne, ibenne ne ebuku ebu. That means, do not conspire against your own kinsmen, against your brother, against your sister, against your relation. Do not conspire, do not even plan, do not even execute, do not even be in a meeting where a conspiracy is hatched against your own brother, because that means that the ground you two march on, what you people hold together, will stand as a judgment against you. So Zelwi Benne. Number 5. Onyebuluchi user. This is a typical Igbo philosophy. Igbos will say Onyebuluchi user. That's they are trying to tell you that you should know your own personal God. And there should be no occasion that you should get ahead of your chi. Never you get ahead of your chi. Your chi should be consulted in all situations. Your chi, your personal God, should be consulted in all situations. He said, Onyebuluchi user, that also do not get ahead of your chi. Consult your chi. Your chi should be your dumeje and odumana. That means your chi should lead you in all your endeavor. In whatever thing you do, try to know your chi, consult your chi, and know what your chi's position is on that particular matter. Number 6. This philosophy is saying that when one is in a great difficulty and beckons his father and mother's people, there is no other person worthy of appealing to. They are trying to tell you the supremacy of your lineage from your father's side and your mother's side. That if you have encountered a difficulty, that you have to fall back to your father's people or your mother's people. That is the meaning of it is trying to remind you the place of the maternal and paternal family in every situation, in the circumstances of life. If you have a problem, run to your father's family. If they cannot solve it, run to your mother's family. If these two families that cannot solve that problem, you are completely finished. That is what this philosophy is saying. Now, the final one, the 7th philosophy, or you can call it the 7th commandment. It is Ajuajueli Nebuta Alialiaun. Ajuajueli Nebuta Alialiaun. Here, this philosophy is saying that one should always do due diligence before getting involved in any endeavor. Not doing due diligence will lead to a catastrophic end. Not doing due diligence will lead to a catastrophic end. So the Igbos are saying in this philosophy, in whatever thing you are doing, be it friendship, be it marriage, be it receiving a gift, do your due diligence. That there is nothing free in life. Someone might be trying to give you something. The Igbos is telling you that there is nothing free in life. Try to know who you are with. Try to know what you are accepting. Try to know the business you are getting yourself involved. Now, if you do not do your due diligence, it's going to lead you to a catastrophic end. That is it. So these are what I will call the 7 key commandments in Igbo. We have other philosophies, but I count these ones to be the most important. It can guide you in your life, in your journey of life. Thank you. If you have any question, please, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.